little flowers. It's been long that we had interacted. So today I decided to interact with you all and share some important piece of information. As you all know that your oral exams are around the corner and they are about to start from 29th July. Yes, your oral exams are starting from 29th July. So for the oral exams, you need to know how you have to prepare yourself for the exams. So students, let me tell you subject wise. You have oral exams for the three subjects if we talk about classes 1 and 2. Classes 1 and 2 में आपके 3 oral exams हैं, Hindi, English and EVS. And now if we talk about classes 3, 4 and 5, you have 4 oral exams, Hindi, English, EVS and Social Studies. अब किस oral exam में कैसे prepare करना है और क्या-क्या prepare करना है? So let me tell you about the exams in detail. In English oral exams, there are 2 parts. One is reading and another is an activity. So reading आपकी 5 marks की है और activity आपकी 5 marks की है. तो reading में बेटा आपको Apurva ma'am will send a video and watch that video carefully that what all things you need to keep in mind while reading and while giving your reading exam. So let me tell you in brief that the reading exams are 5 marks and those 5 marks are divided as voice modulation means आप अपनी voice को कैसे up and down कर रहे हैं because you cannot talk at the single tone altogether. So you need to change your voice. So voice modulation and then is your pronunciation. How are you pronouncing the words? Okay. For example, pneumonia. Pneumonia starts from P. So we cannot call it as pneumonia. है ना? तो उसको P साइलेंट है और वो pneumonia है. So आपको ऐसी चीजों का ध्यान रखना है how to pronounce the words during reading. And another is fluency. How fluently you are speaking. Like अगर मैं अभी अटक-अटक के बोलने लग जाऊँ, आप बोलोगे मैम को तो बोलना नहीं आता. So same goes for you also. So when you read, keep these 3 things in mind. Number 1 is your voice modulation. Number 2 is your pronunciation and number 3 is your fluency. So all together these 3 things will fetch you 5 marks of reading. तो reading अब हमें clear हो गया. Reading करते हुए हमें अपनी book अपने पास रखनी है. जो page number नाम बोलेंगे we have to open it and with the pencil or with the pen we need to read line by line. So 5 marks for reading exams. Now let me tell you what you have to do in English activity. First, so now students of classes 6 to 8, let me tell you about your activity. Reading is clear. Reading will be judged on 3 parameters, 5 marks. So that's clear. Now coming to the second part of our oral exam, which is an activity. So for classes 6 to 8, the activity which you have to perform in oral exam is debate. What is a debate? Debate is something where you put your thoughts forward in front of the audience either in favor of the topic or against that topic. Like suppose sun rises from east. This is a universal fact, we know. But suppose a uniatic person comes and says, you know, sun rises from west and we give you this topic for debate. So what can you do? You can talk in favor of this person that if you find that this statement is correct, then you can talk in favor. That is called speaking in for. But if you find that the statement is wrong, then you can speak against that notion, which is called speaking against. So a debate has 2 parts, speaking for and speaking against. You can choose any of the side. आप for में भी बोल सकते हैं, आप against में भी बोल सकते हैं. So the topic for you to have debate is प्लास्टिक a boon or a curse. प्लास्टिक एक आशीर्वाद है या अभिशाप है. मीन्स प्लास्टिक से आपको क्या फायदे हैं, क्या नुकसान है. इस डिबेट में आपको प्लास्टिक के एडवांटेजेस और डिसएडवांटेजेस के बारे में बात करनी है. बट एज इट इज अ डिबेट, so you cannot talk about both the things simultaneously. Like मैं प्लास्टिक के बारे में उसकी एडवांटेज और डिसएडवांटेज दोनों नहीं बोल सकती। आपको वन साइडेड होके अपना व्यू एक्सप्रेस करना है। लाइक सपोज इफ आई फील दैट द प्लास्टिक इज अ boon, means plastic is helping me, it's a blessing to me, so I will speak for plastic, means in favor of plastic. But if I feel because of plastic soil pollution is increasing, because of plastic the toxic gas are produced when we burn the plastic, so we can talk against that. You have to decide, and once you decide and you start speaking when your time comes, you have to tell your teacher that you are speaking in for or against the notions. Okay, so आप बोलोगे मैम, my topic for debate is plastic is a boon or curse and I want to speak against it. Then you can start speaking. Okay, keep this in mind, whatever you are speaking should be of 2 minutes so that at least you can express your view. It should not be कि आपने एक लाइन बोली मैम plastic is helpful in keeping the things, मैम plastic burns so the harmful gases are produced. No, that is not debate. Debate is where you are speaking confidently, where you are putting your point forward confidently and you are making the other person convinced that what you have spoken is correct. So my dear children, classes 6 to 8, this is your topic of debate, plastic a boon or curse. So prepare your debate beforehand and when your teacher asks you to present, so speak confidently. Don't look into the paper. मैम जब आपसे बात करती हैं क्या मैम पेपर में देखती हैं? No. तो आपको भी वैसे ही कॉन्फिडेंटली स्पीक करना है बिकॉज कॉन्फिडेंस के इसमें मार्क्स हैं, आपके कंटेंट के मार्क्स हैं कि आप क्या बोल रहे हो और आपकी प्रेजेंटेशन के मार्क्स हैं. So students, that's all about your English oral exams. And for Hindi oral exams, I'll brief you tomorrow that in Hindi exam, how you have to prepare, what you have to prepare. So till then, prepare for English exams. All the best.